Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix secure boot is not enabled in Battlefield 6. So if you have this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to actually open the system information. I'll see from here. So just open the start menu and search for system information. So from here you will have a lot of options, but only two options that matter. The first is BIOS mode. You need to make sure that it's UEFI and the secure boot state is on. So if this isn't turned on, you will have a lot of issues turning on secure boot. So the second thing that you need to know is the button for your laptop or PC for the boot entry. So this is different on brands, and this is the button that will make you enter the boot. So after that, all you need to do is to click on the start menu and hit on the power options. Restart your PC from here, and now when the PC is starting, spam the boot button or the boot entry button till you enter the boot menu. After you enter the boot menu, I'll see from here, you will see a lot of settings. You need to go to security option or advanced security options, so it will be different depending on your brand. After that, you need to find the secure boot option. Click on it and make sure that you enable it from here. So after you enter the boot menu from here, you need to click on the security options or advanced security options, or you can actually try to find the secure boot anywhere else. So the place of the option will be different depending on your device brand. So make sure that you enable the secure boot. I'll see from here. After that, just save and boot your PC. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.